First of all, think of the foundation of the relationship. It's not a relationship that we entered into voluntarily. Our ancestors that were transported and trafficked here into these spaces called Caribbean spaces by the state of the Netherlands, you know, and its representative did not come willingly, did not pick up some passport, pack their bag and say, we come and cross, you know, to form a relationship with you. This was a relationship founded on supremacy and subjugation, and that mentality has not left. And the madness will not cease as long as we choose to remain a part of an abusive relationship. When you're in an abusive relationship, especially one that is not founded on the principle of coming together to build something together, but one that is founded on subjugation, human trafficking, human suffering, and other atrocities of slavery, while today it is cloaked in something more politically correct to suit our times, it's still the same relationship that has not changed over the years. And we're saying, we at One-SXM are very clear about our position. We do not want to be a part of the kingdom. We do not want to be a part of this relationship. We are hoping that eventually our people will get there. We think on St. Maarten, we know that the call for independence is growing. But until that relationship ends, and even go further, go to where Barbados, because even Barbados in its political state had to take it to the final step, you know, a year ago, and say, no, we are going to become our own republic and remove the Queen as the constitutional head of Barbados. That is when the relationship, the madness ceases. And it's then now to get to restoration and reconciliation of your people, and to empowerment and healing, and to moving forward. In St. Maarten, I don't use the word Dutch Caribbean to refer to myself or anything St. Maarten, but in these spaces occupied by the Dutch Kingdom in the Caribbean, that is not going to change unless you get out of the kingdom.